Fix 1. Check network connection. A common reason the iPhone stuck on setting up Apple ID during transfer is a poor internet connection. Therefore, check the Wi-Fi signal strength or try switching to another network to ensure a stable connection first. Fix 2. Force restart iPhone. If the iPhone stuck on setting up Apple ID issue is caused by a system problem, a force restart can allow the device to reboot and resume the setup process. iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. iPhone 6 and earlier, press and hold both the power button and the home button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Reinsert SIM card. If your SIM card is not properly inserted, your iPhone will not be able to recognize it. As a result, your device may get stuck on the Apple ID setup screen and be unable to proceed. The best way to resolve this issue is to remove the SIM card and reinsert it into the iPhone. Fix 4. Skip Apple ID setup. Step 1. Turn on your iPhone and select your preferred language. Step 2. Choose Setup manually and connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Select Setup later in settings and skip setting a screen passcode for Face ID. Choose Don't transfer apps and data, then select Forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. Step 4. Once done, select Setup later in settings again. Step 5. Tap Continue to allow your iPhone to receive the latest updates, then complete the remaining steps to activate your device. Step 6. After setup, open the Settings app, choose Sign into your iPhone, and sign in with your Apple ID. Fix 5. Check Apple's system status. Apple's servers may occasionally undergo maintenance or experience outages, which can cause issues with the Apple ID setup. You can check Apple's system status page to see if Apple ID services are running normally. Fix 6. Restore iPhone using iTunes. Although using iTunes to restore your iPhone can be effective, keep in mind that it will erase all data from your device. Be sure to back up your data before proceeding. Step 1. Make sure your iTunes is up to date. Then launch iTunes and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. Step 3. Once your iPhone is detected, a window will appear in iTunes. Click the Restore button to download the necessary software. Step 4. Once your iPhone is restored, try activating it again and check if the issue of being stuck on the Setting Up Apple ID screen is resolved. Fix 7. Using iOS system recovery. If you've tried the methods above and the issue is still unresolved, you may want to consider using professional iOS system repair software, such as iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Once downloaded the tool, open it and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the connection. Click the Start button, then put your device into recovery mode. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The iOS firmware will begin downloading. Step 4. After the download is complete, click the Repair button. The tool will start repairing your device to fix the issue of Apple ID taking forever to sign in on the new iPhone.